Today, I'm going to show you a cute puppy eyes look and sleek cat eye look by using a single palette 3CE eye palette plot twist. Let's start with the puppy eyes. For our soft gentle eye styling, I'm using the all-lens Spanish circle lens brown color. Firstly, apply the beige shadow on the eyelid with the flat brush and just swoosh through the crease line with the shimmer. The main idea here is a cute / soft look, so we won't use any strong colored eyeshadows. Add some color on the under lash line for more depth. Then apply a darker shade at the tail under eyes. This is where we make the droopy eyes with the shadow effect. To emphasize the droopy eyeliner for puppies, starting from the tail, leading up to the inner corners, fill up the entire line to make a round eye shape. Use a short sturdy brush to gently smudge the line to enlarge the whole eye shape. Touch up the inner corners as well. Apply the highlight shade on the center of the eyelid and use the leftover to apply on the aigusa to get a younger looking effect. Just to re-emphasize the droopy eyes, we define the eye line with the felt-tip eyeliner. Pump up the curler little by little with the quick squeezes from the root to knot, resulting in a charm C curl. My favorite brown gel mascara comes with two types of brushes, one for the upper and another one for lower. Apply on both lashes gently. This one never gets smudged. So good. A big thumbs up. The eyebrow that changes the whole mood of the makeup. The key for a baby face is the straight brows. Draw up the guideline first and fill up the inside with less force on your hands. Use the square brush for the natural gradations and for even more natural brows. Use a small brush to smudge up. And now, we have a daily perfect puppy eye makeup completed! Yay! Cute droopy eyes, minimal eyeshadow, and the straight eyebrows would be the key of this eye makeup. Do I look like a puppy? Woo, woo. Next, the fierce cat eye makeup. The key point for a cat eye is nothing else but an icy eye color. Yes? Firstly, apply a base shadow with the flat brush and add on a tone darker following the crease for extra depth. Same color for the under lash line and blend. We'll once again apply more shadow from the tail to the center of the eye to make the line wider than the double eyelid for a bigger eye shape. Adding in some shimmer to the empty area as a highlight. Using the same pencil eyeliner, draw up a slight wing. Then, with the short sturdy brush, use a dark brown tone shade to connect your eyeshadows with the eyeliner. When you feel like there is something missing, more shadow is the answer as always. Following up the crease line made, fill it up with a darker shade. Re-emphasize, make it sharp and neat. The wing with the felt-tip liner for the longer and bigger eye shape. we will add a straight line of the dark eyeshadow on the lower lash area. We are nearly there. With the notion of your arch, express the sharp eyebrow look, like a grumpy cat. Curl up the lashes little to get them ready for the fake lashes. From the center of your eyes, take your time to getting the lash close to your own. When you find its place to be, curl them with your natural lashes to make them blend in with each other. Using a black mascara, unite the two lashes together. Touch up the under lashes slightly with the mascara as well. Here's a Coco's tip. Coco's tip for a super extra nose contour. Use your brow pencil, preferably brown, to shape the nose that you want. And very gently blend them out. Tip best suited with your nightlife makeup. On top of that, highlight the tip and the center of the nose. Chin and just top of the lips to restructure a defined look. Ta-da! The completed cat eye makeup for a night out in town. The semi-cut crease eyeshadow, wing on fleek, and the filled up eyelashes would be the key point for this kitty look. So, here we have the two gorgeous looks, the puppy eyes and the cat eye makeup using the Only One palette, 3CE eye palette plot twist. If you have any other makeup tutorials you'd like from Hikoco, please let us know through the comments down below. And thanks for watching. Let's be pretty!